Imagine a girl who couldn't say a single word. People thought she was weak. But one day, she saved her entire village, not with words, but with her mind. Get ready for a story that will show you the true power of silence. Chapter 1: The Silent Girl. Once, in a peaceful village surrounded by tall mountains and deep forests, there lived a girl named Lily. Lily was different. She was born without a voice. No one ever heard her speak. Her house was small, with a wooden roof and a little garden. She lived with her parents, who loved her very much. But the villagers didn't understand her. They would whisper, "Poor girl, she can't speak. What can she do?" The children didn't play with her. The teachers didn't ask her questions. Lily often sat under a big oak tree, watching the birds and drawing pictures in the dirt. Chapter 2: The Secret Talent. Though Lily couldn't speak, her eyes saw everything. She watched how the birds built their nests. She noticed how the wind moved the clouds. She learned how the animals found food and water. Her father once said, "Lily, you may not speak, but you understand things better than many who talk all day." Lily smiled and hugged him. Her mind was full of ideas. Chapter 3: The Danger Arrives. One hot summer, dark clouds covered the sky. But no rain came. Days turned into weeks. The village well dried up. The crops began to die. The river turned into a small stream. The villagers grew scared. "If we don't find water, we will lose everything," they said. The village leader called a meeting. "We must dig a new well," he said. "But where? We don't know where the water is." People argued and shouted. Lily stood at the back, listening silently. Chapter 4: Lily's Idea. That night, Lily sat under the oak tree, thinking hard. She remembered something. The birds. They always flew to one place deep in the forest during dry days. Lily quickly drew a map on a piece of cloth. She ran to her father and showed him. He looked at the drawing surprised. "Are you saying the birds know where water is?" he asked. Lily nodded, her eyes bright. Chapter 5: The Journey. The next morning, Lily, her father, and a few villagers followed the map. They walked deep into the forest, where thick trees blocked the sun. They heard birds singing above. Suddenly, they found a wet patch of ground. The earth was soft. Lily pointed at the ground and smiled. "Dig here," her father told the others. They began digging. After hours of hard work, cold fresh water burst from the ground. Everyone cheered. The village had found a new water source. Chapter 6: The New Well. The villagers built a new well near the forest. Water flowed every day. The crops turned green again. The animals came back. The people were happy. The village leader called everyone together. He said loudly, "We all talked and shouted, but it was Lily's quiet mind that saved us. She saw what we didn't." The people clapped. The children came to play with Lily. The villagers smiled at her with respect. Chapter 7: The Lesson. Lily still couldn't speak. But now, no one saw her as weak. They saw her as wise. Her silence was not emptiness. It was full of thought, love, and strength. Ending message. Sometimes, you don't need loud words to make a difference. A quiet mind, open eyes, and a kind heart can save the world. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which topic you want the next video. More stories are coming. And more English too. Thank you.